Now I will go. Next functions. After logical, information functions. We will see now. Most of the information functions return true or false. And a few functions provide information also. Especially is or has functions return true or false. And remaining functions, couple of them will return true, false, and some more functions will give the information. Example, these all has functions, is functions, return true or false. Even these functions return true or false. No is and has, but the content looks like that. And here also, is functions available, they return true or false. And these functions return information. Shall I? Good. Contains, it returns true if the value or values available. Contains row, if the row available, it returns true. If the string available returns true, otherwise false. If the string exactly available returns true, otherwise false. And this is a custom data property in the connection string. If you want to get, then go to this concept. If it is having only one filter, returns true, otherwise false. If it is having only one value, returns true, otherwise false. It will give you is after value. If it is after value, true, otherwise false. If it is blank, returns true, otherwise false. If it is a cross-filtered value, returns true, otherwise false. If it is empty value, returns true, otherwise false. If it is error value, returns true, otherwise false. Is even, returns true. If it is even number, otherwise false. Is filtered. If it is a filtered value, returns true, otherwise false. These are the functions in the first screen. No, is in scope. If it is in the scope, returns true, otherwise false. If it is a logical value, returns true, otherwise false. If it is a non-text value, true, otherwise false. If it is a number value, returns true, otherwise false. Odd value returns true, otherwise false. If it is on or after, returns true, otherwise false. If it is a selected measure, true or false. Subtotal, true or false. Is textual value true, otherwise false. Non-visual, it will give you. Selected measure, it will give you. And measure format string, it will give you. This is selected measure name, it will give you. And this will give you username who connected. And even user principal name who connected. But these two functions, desktop level domain name username, cloud level email address. And user security object ID you want to find out, security identification, then go to user object ID. So these are the functions and respect to theory available. We will see practical of maximum functions.